Hi everyone, in honor of Pride Month, I'm going to show you my favorite Noto products. The moisturizer cream feels like mermaid dew. I'm obsessed. I always use the Agender oil and I like to put it on my face, my neck, pretty much everywhere. My hair for a wet, dewy vibe. I'm going to use 5. It's such a pretty mauve-y color, purpley pink, and I love it. And in honor of Pride Month, I will say that to me, self-expression means taking the time to really connect with yourself, to explore and play, to be open to discovering what brings you joy, what makes you feel alive, and then channeling your inner courage, which we all have, and letting it out and enjoying it, enjoying your voice and enjoying life and the grace of your efforts.